Dr. Disrespect news.
Oh, an update.
And of course, it's not really an update because that would just be too. Well, it is an update. You know what? It is an update because of how little we've been able to figure out about this enormous story in the streaming world. Everything's an update. Any little tidbit of information is an update.
Yeah.
Truthfully. Dr. Disrespect's Twitter profile update teases move to YouTube. Okay, here's what happened, Will. This is news when everything is so vague. Just recently, I guess it was yesterday, and 14 hours ago, just recently, he goes onto his profile, him or whoever's in charge or whatever, and switches the link from Twitch to YouTube. Okay, it hadn't been switched since the whole thing. Maybe. Okay, now you can read into it however you want. Could be nothing. Could just be as simple as, why am I linking people to Twitch? I don't have a Twitch page. I'm dead on Twitch. And I just should just fix that up. He could have just woke up in the morning and be like, oh yeah, I should switch that. Or for guys like us that like to look a little deeper, maybe there's more to the story. Maybe there's an announcement coming. Ninja, as we mentioned previously on this show, made the move to YouTube, started streaming on YouTube. Wasn't to be a lot of fanfare, no press release, just started streaming on YouTube. Who knows? What does it mean? Is there an agreement? Maybe. Was it just a smart choice? Was it an easy place to go? Sure. All of the above. The key with this is how you want to interpret the timing. If he got banned from Twitch, wiped off the face of the earth, why not immediately move the link? Right? Did you think along the way, if you're Dr. Disrespect, that maybe there's a chance to mend the relationship? Maybe when the investigation takes, whatever the issue is, maybe there's a chance we can get it together. We'll leave the link. Then maybe, there's a lot of maybe, but maybe you find out yesterday or 14 hours ago, it ain't gonna happen.
No.
It's a mess. It's bad news. Get that link out of my face. Let's put YouTube. Let's start working towards a relationship with YouTube. Let's start moving in the direction of YouTube. I mean, you can't just completely wipe the guy out forever, can you? Does he just vanish from there? No, he's got something. He's got people interested. He's got people that want to watch him. So again, in the absence of any new information coming about what actually led to the ban, why can't he just start streaming on YouTube? What kind of agreements are in place? What does his contract say? It's all very curious. You would think if you're banned completely from one platform, you should be able to go stream somewhere else.
Yeah.
I don't know. Of course, it's going to remain complicated with him because he had this special agreement with Twitch. He was goofing on Ninja when Ninja went to Mixer.
Yeah.
He got that promo video to announce his new contract. He got money. He got agreements from them. So we don't know all of that. But we're going to keep our eye on it because these little pieces are the only indication we have, the only thing we can use to predict what's actually going on. So you could see him. You could see Disrespect on YouTube at some point. I think we can say that fairly confident.
Yeah.
And his link switched on his Twitter bio.